In today's video, we're diving into 10 more common English idioms. Our first idiom is bite the bullet, meaning to face a difficult situation bravely. Examples. 1. He had to bite the bullet and apologize for his mistake. 2. When the team lost their best player, they had to bite the bullet and keep playing. Let's watch a movie clip where someone has to bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet, pal. It'll be okay.
I keep telling Dad, if things don't pick up, we'll just have to bite the bullet and jack it fucking in.
So she decided to bite the bullet and bring her brooding angst along with her.
I guess I'll bite the bullet and call my new partner.
Okay, so I figured low-key family dinner, no official party, and we bite the bullet and...
Virginia, bite the bullet.
Next, we have burning the midnight oil. This means to work late into the night, meaning to work late at night. Examples. 1. I have a big exam tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight. 2. The writers were burning the midnight oil to finish the script before the deadline.
Burning the midnight oil, Mr. Smith?
Take a break from all those late nights burning the midnight oil.
Burning the midnight oil, trying to put the best industries deal back together.
Oh, burning the midnight oil, huh?
Are you burning the midnight oil, or are you listening to David?
Always burning the midnight oil.
How you doing, sir? Burning the midnight oil.
Cut to the chase. Meaning, get to the main point. Examples. 1. Stop telling me the details and just cut to the chase. 2. In the meeting, he cut to the chase and talked about the budget.
All right, let's just cut to the chase, okay?
All right, cut to the chase, Chief.
But just to cut to the chase, you're shifting your core business from chat to trade, yes?
Great, then we can pass by the warm-up and cut to the chase.
Does this scam? I mean, that all?
Hey, cut to the chase, Pam.
Mr. Bond.
Should we cut to the chase?
Let's just cut to the chase here, okay?
In hot water. In hot water means to be in trouble or facing difficulties, meaning in trouble. Examples. 1. He's in hot water with his boss after missing the deadline. 2. If you break the rules, you'll be in hot water. Let's see a movie clip where someone is in hot water.
Come on, guys. How often do we get to soak in hot water?
Hey, let's put his hand in hot water.
I know you come over here as a favor to Billy because I got him in hot water with that government man.
Reminded me a lot of when I got in hot water with the SEC.
You just have to let it soak overnight in hot water!
The Deep finds himself in hot water following a harebrained attempt to free a dolphin from ocean land.
It got him in hot water with the university.
In the same boat, meaning in a similar situation, means in the same situation or facing the same difficulties as others. Examples. 1. We're all in the same boat when it comes to budget cuts. 2. After the storm, everyone was in the same boat with damaged roofs.
And what about O'Keefe? We're in the same boat.
But we are all in the same boat here, and I just need you to try.
I feel like I'm in the same boat. I mean, they have the puppy parties.
I mean, we're all in the same boat, right?
The second, we're gonna be in the same boat.
Prescient's in the same boat as us. Got no home near-wise.
That would be choice number one. But when we get there, if we miss, we're in the same boat.
Kick the bucket, meaning to die. Examples. 1. He joked that he didn't want to kick the bucket before seeing the world. 2. In the movie, the old cowboy finally kicked the bucket after a long life.
But I want to be here, and I will be here until
Till I kick the bucket.
God, please stop.
Use the Royal Flight. They keep one plane on permanent standby in case I should kick the bucket.
Does he look like he's about to kick the bucket to you?
Not even.
He could cash it in, he could buy the farm, he could kick the bucket, he could have his soul hurled into the great void, he could shuffle loose the mortal coil.
I'm just trying to get ready for the day you kick the bucket and I get everything.
When I kick the bucket, you get everything.
Once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. Examples. 1. We only go on vacation once in a blue moon. 2. She visits her hometown once in a blue moon.
But he did have to have like a bunch of stitches, and he said that only once in a blue moon does a dog's ear grow back. So
I asked you to dinner once in a blue moon.
It's like, help me out a little bit, just once in a blue moon.
It wouldn't be a tragedy for you to go out once in a blue moon.
Only once in a blue moon did he condescend to hear an appeal.
This is a once in a blue moon type of situation, I'd say.
Try going with your feelings once in a blue moon.
Stab in the back, meaning betrayal by someone you trust. Examples. 1. It was a stab in the back when his friend spread rumors about him. 2. In the story, the hero faces a stab in the back from a trusted ally.
Funerals are like a stab in the back.
How about burn? Screw over? Stab in the back?
So it wasn't a stab in the back, it was a stab in the heart.
It's a stab in the back, that's what it is. A low-down stab in the back.
This is a stab in the back.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, meaning children are like their parents. Means children often resemble their parents in behavior or personality. Examples. 1. She loves gardening, just like her mom. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree. 2. In the movie, the son became a lawyer, just like his father. The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Well, in the surprise department, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree, my friend.
Actually, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree?
Well, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
The apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Turn a blind eye, meaning to ignore something intentionally, usually something wrong or unethical. Examples. 1. The manager decided to turn a blind eye to his employees' late arrival. 2. Society cannot afford to turn a blind eye to poverty. Let's see a movie clip.
I've seen too many in need just to turn a blind eye.
I can't turn a blind eye to terrorism because it's been right here on our doorstep.
Louis, can't you just turn a blind eye for, let's say, 24 hours?
You will turn a blind eye to all of my gambling operations.
What kind of king will turn a blind eye to such an obligation?
Max, turn a blind eye to robbery.
We turn a blind eye and allow a traitor.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.